I am here in Cairo and I'm about to get picked up by a motorcycle Uber, which means I'm about to risk my life. As for anyone who's been in Cairo, you know that the roads are pretty chaotic and the drivers are nuts. Even in a car, I feel like I'm gonna die. But since I'm crazy, I figured why not try out a motorcycle? For the thrill, adrenaline rush, we'll see. This should be fun. Nope, no. Oh, there he is. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Alhamdulillah. Asmuk, what's your name?
Islam.
Islam. Away we go. Quite like it. Not much of a motorcycle person, but maybe that'll change. Oh, okay, here we go. Now I'm gonna start fearing for my life a little bit, I think. Just a little. The traffic. Swerving. I see how they drive swerving through the traffic, and oh my god. Mom, don't watch. حار اليوم.
قوي.
حار جدا. وكويس.
عندكم مفيش حر؟
ايه؟
عندك في انجلترا مفيش حر؟
أحب كله، أحب حار، أحب بارد، كله. جميل، حار وجميل اليوم. I'm attempting to speak Arabic, and it's not going great. I don't really understand what he says, but I can like say stuff that I think is related to what he says. Okay. Going to the gas station, I suppose. Okay, that was quick. Let's go. Yallah.
يلا.
good about making it there safely. That's it. Driving along the Nile. Best restaurants in all of Egypt. I love you. Whoop. Almost there now. Almost there, almost there. Woo! Fun ride, I must say. I enjoyed it thoroughly. It was far less dangerous than I thought it was going to be. I'd do it again. Going to meet my buddy. Gonna chill out. I'm hungry as heck. Probably get some food here in a bit, hang out, and get some food after a while. Alright, we've made it. هنا كويس هنا كويس صح شكرا حبيبي شكرا
حبيبي
اوكي مع السلامة alright made it safe we made it I'm alive I am alive that was awesome. Loved it. Definitely would do it again. I kind of like motorcycles now. Definitely would do it again. Great experience.